Hi-ho! Kermit the Frog here, your amazing green announcer. This is the Beepis Show! Yay! Let the adventure begin.
Hey, maiden voyage for the year, for the season, out on Hauser Lake. You will see lots of videos of Hauser because I am out here a ton in the summer months. So there's two seasons for me, ski season and boating season. I ski until the snow melts and I can't ski anymore, and then I boat until the snow flies again 6 months later and I can't boat anymore. So yeah, stay tuned. Completely restored the whole boat. All the upholstery. Pepper, what do you think, buddy? He's good to go. He's like, oh, let me in the water. I want to swim. Yeah, so did new carpeting, new decking, new upholstery, new outside, everything. It's like a new boat. So yeah, peace and love, and stay tuned. Hey, so I have camp set up, obviously in a hammock, one of my favorite places in the whole world to be. We do the switcheroo. Yo, buddy, what do you think? He's digging it. He loves camping. Oh boy, you found a stick. Yay! Basic kitchen and fire pit. Set up a basic 3-season tent and a sleeping bag and such. Didn't really set the tent up fully because I just need a cover over the top of it. Don't expect weather tonight. But normally I sleep without the rain fly. But it's gonna get a little chilly, you know, probably into the 40s. So there you can see the outside of the boat. No one except for Drew and my son Paul and all his buddies, Sambo and Derek and etc. They'd all remember it when it was the other way, but it turned out really nice. Beautiful spot. I just freaking love it here. I can totally disappear. So, and Pepper's thrilled because he's found a stick. 4,000 sticks all around him. He picks up one and it's the last stick in the whole world and he's just thrilled. Get it, Pepper, you better get that stick. He's such a dork. He's almost as big a dork as I am. Oh no, Pepper, you crack me up. But we like to hike up there, top of that ridge. Can see the whole site a little better now. The lake is right here. Totally 100%. Got our private little spot here. Love it. Fires are just mesmerizing. I mean, I've always been fascinated with them, and you study them. I can just meditate to them for hours and hours and hours. And you think about it, you know, the woods being reduced to yellow, blue, red flames, and smoke in the form of steam. And then it's eventually reduced down to just simple carbon and gives off heat. Oh, and it's just a really warm, deep, soothing heat. It's magical. I just absolutely love fires. Hey, good morning. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Pepper, how you doing, buddy? Hi, good morning. Beautiful day. We are gonna head out up the canyon that way to go climb a peak. Okay, so that's the peak that we're gonna go up. Not too huge, but it's kind of cool. You know, it's nice that it's right here. So yeah, we'll just dock on the edge of the shore and tie the boat up and secure it and bag a peak. Why not? It's a beautiful day. So hope you're out there doing whatever feeds your soul, because I tell you what, I sure am. Catch you on the summit. As I promised, we just summited. Amazing views. I'll show you a little panorama. Those are the Big Belt Mountains. In the distance, those are the Elkhorns. Familiar with those? I ski in them a ton. That's a great big huge bay towards the end of the east end of Hauser Lake. That's Red Mountain. You see that a lot in my morning videos. I think those are part of the pioneers outside of Deer Lodge. And then my campsite is, you can just barely see a little bend in the reservoir towards the right, about another mile further northwest over there. Pepper, what do you think, buddy? Hey, come here. What do you think? Yeah, I know. I'm loving it too. I love you too. So, hope you're out there feeding your soul. Whatever feeds your soul, man, get out there and do it. Because today is happening right now. Shout out to my son, Paul, and to my daughter, Olivia. I love you both tremendously. I miss you tons. I hope you're doing well, and I'm sending you lots of good mojo from the summit of this mountain and every day, no matter what I'm doing and where I'm doing it. So, peace and love, everybody, and don't forget to subscribe, like the videos. Let us know your adventures, where you've gone, what you've done, fun things, or you know, if you got a crazy suggestion for Melvin, yeah, let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Again, peace and love, and I hope you have a fabulous day.